Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will show you software that help you to how to watch video, how to like and comment on Instagram. So here, this is my software that I use. So you can see, first we have account management. This function will help you to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts. So here you can choose the account in the account that you want. Choose this and log in. And the software will auto log in into the account. Next, to how to watch video and how to like and comment, I will go to viral marketing and choose seeding post function. In here, you can enter the link of the post or video that you want. So I will go here and take the link. I will take this video and I will paste it here. So I will set up the configuration. So first I will set up the number of threads. Number of threads is mean number of account running in the same time. Next I will set up the maximum per seeding account and the break interval time between two activities. Next you can choose what's the time of the account watch video from 20 to 20 seconds and choose comment to post, and you can enter the content of comment in here. Next I will choose the account that I want to go to auto like and comment. Okay, after everything set up, I will restart and let the software do the work. So you can see the software will auto open the browser like this and go to the link that I already set up and auto watch video and auto like, auto comment. So you can see the process in here. So basically I will show you how to watch video, how to like and how to comment on Instagram by using multiple Instagram accounts. So if you need more information, please contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp. The details will be now below comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more to the channel.